Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Flipkart to bank account. So first of all, just open the Flipkart application in your mobile and now just tap on these three bars in the upper left corner and now tap on this account option and now you will see your whole money in there. And now from there you just have to scroll down and then you will see this option my cards and wallet. As you can see, I have 25 rupees. So now if you want to transfer this, what you can do is if you just tap on this view details, and now as you can see you cannot transfer from here. So now what you can do is if I just want to buy something, so I am in my payments option and now you will see various options here in this payments option. And now as you can see this option gift cards, you will see your whole money in this option. As you can see I have 25 rupees, so if I just tap on it and it will ask me to verify OTP, so I have to put my OTP here and that's how you can use your money in Flipkart. And the second track is you have to come for this super coin option and now you will find here recharge option. As you can see this recharge option, just tap on this recharge option and now you can recharge your mobile from using this money. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.